Welcome. In our previous video, where we still discussed about the Microsoft Excel chart and graphs, we have been able to explain how and why you need a pie chart, a bar chart, which can be a clustered column or clustered bar chart. The two are still bar charts which we are familiar with in our statistics. And we have been able to see how you can clean your chart and make it colorful in Microsoft Excel, which will make it look like other visuals. So if you can clean it well here in Microsoft Excel, you'll be able to do it better when you are using Power BI and some other visualization tool like Tableau and the likes. So now I'm still on the three essential visuals, which is the bar chart, the pie chart, and the line graph. I've talked about the bar chart, the pie chart. Now I would like to talk about the line graph. When do we use a line graph? If you are watching this YouTube for the first time, please do not watch alone. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. The previous pie chart that we did could also be changed to something else, which is the donut chart. You click on at the insert tab, at the recommended chart, you can see several options. You have the 3D, you have the pie of pie, and then lastly you have your donut chart. You can see donut. So you can convert what you have to a donut. So this is a donut chart. As easy as that. So just choose from the options at the pie charts and you find your donut chart. Something that looks like the donut you eat, something edible. But in this case, it's a visual. You can't eat it. Okay, so let's move on to the line graph. The line graph is being used when you have a time series data that has to do with time, month, year, day, and the likes. So let's look at this sample data set. It's an employee data set. We have the hire date. So we might be interested in what is the distribution of gender being hired across the year or across the month and the likes. So we're going to analyze using the pivot table in this existing worksheet as well. I'll put the analysis here. So I can look at the gender. Let me see. Let me remove the gender. The hire date. So I'm interested in the hire date. So you can see these are the dates. And I'm interested in what is the distribution of people that were employed this period, at that period. So I'll put the gender to the value and it's going to tell me the number of people they were hired. But more importantly, I can try to see what happened in terms of I want to see what happens, the male and the female. So I drag the gender to the columns. So the 3 females and 1 male were hired in 1998. But to keep it simple, let me just stop at the total number of hires, both gender, in each of the year. So in this case, I can use the so-called line graph. You go to the insert. The line graph is suitable for time series, something that deal with time. So you click on line and you can see the first option. You can see, and you click OK. You clean your chart, right click on anything hide office button on chart. I want to click and delete this. I want to remove the decrease line. I want to remove this data. Yes, I want to make this bolder. I want to adjust it better so you can see, and I can do a data label to see what is happening. And of course I can make this look smoother. Yes, I can make it look smoother. You can see it shows the up and down bars. So let's see the up and down bars. More option. Okay, so we have the dates now from 1998 to 2000 in terms of year. If it is in terms of month, you can filter here. If you want to know the month, you can only remove others and leave the month. So this is it now. You can see that we have more higher in 2013 and 2018 than any other year. So what is the reason behind having higher number of higher numbers of recruits in 2013 and 2018? So it's something that is very obvious. It's something obvious. Higher date. So the higher date distribution. So the distribution of when the staff were being hired. So you make it bold. We increase the font size as usual. I think this should be capital. Distribution. Yep. And I think everything is going on. So I can make the corner pin border. Press the Ctrl 1 to show this. The corner should be rounded corner. Yeah. So we have seen that of the year. If you're still interested, you can go back to your charts and do any kind of changes you would like to make. Let's say, for instance, you want to see which months do we normally have a lot of hires. So just remove the year. You can see the way I'm doing it. Remove the quarter and you are left with the month. So most of the time we recruit in January. All other months we don't usually recruit, so we recruit more in January. You can see the insights being generated from the data. And of course, it's reasonable because that's the beginning of the year. We might need to prepare and get things done. So let me give this a color, something dark or gray. Yeah. So that's all. And I hope you have learned something new. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.